Hi guys, Derek here. Just a disclaimer first. This is my review of a 3D printing toolkit kindly sent to me free of charge by TechnoGeek 3D. I have not been paid in any way for this review, and it is my true and honest opinion of this kit that I have received, and this kit alone. So this is a toolkit from TechnoGeek 3D that I have been sent, obviously, as in my disclaimer. So I'm just going to open it up now. It was only just received today, so I'm going to open it up now and let's have a look. Right, okay, so at the moment it came in this box, and I mean, no disrespect, it could have been packaged a little bit better. I mean, these bits are just in this box as they are, so if these were individually wrapped, that would be great. So I'll go through the bits and pieces I've got here. I will put all the links below. Let's open these out and see what we've got in here. There's quite a few bits and pieces we've got in here. So first part is got some flush cutters. They always come in handy. Okay, so we've got some tweezers. Looks like we've got several tweezers in here, so we'll go through these quickly. More tweezers, pretty good quality. I ain't got no issues with them at the moment. There's one here as well. Another tweezers. Let's have a look. We've got any more? Yeah, so we've got these ones which are like that. They're quite cool. Right, and one more set. Some more tweezers. I mean, I'm always constantly dropping little bolts and stuff when I'm making a printer, so they will come in handy. Having a quick look, so we've got some blades in here. We have got 5 blades in there, and they are 4, which I will just get now. This scalpel, very nice X-Acto knife, as I would call it. I will put the protective case back on now. I don't want to slice my hand up with it. Got some long nose pliers, as you can see. They're all good quality stuff. Another pair of tweezers. These are more of a spade type. Glue stick. Just a standard glue stick. Let's have a look in here as well. We've got a file. Now that comes in handy. Been looking for a smaller sort of file as well to get in those little bits of printing. It's very, very rough. It's very nice. Deburring Tool. Now this is the same, exactly the same thing as what Chuck Hillebuck's got, that he's constantly advertising. So you've got a sharp blade on there. I'm not going to go too mad. And you pull that around the edges of the print to get rid of the little bits and pieces off there, just to trim it up. That's cool. We have a spatula that is not, it's not been sharpened. Just a 1-inch spatula scraper to get your prints off the bed. Digital calipers. Now they're quite nice. I've got another pair obviously, but these are quite nice. They're carbon fibre digital calipers. Yeah, I like them. Very nice. So obviously the carbon fibre, so they're not like the metal ones I've got obviously, but these are, yeah, really good. Like them. A cutting board. That always comes in handy because obviously I'm cutting through the tiling system I've got on the bench at the moment. So I've got a cutting board now. And let's see what else we've got in here. We've got some packaging material. We have a sticker, TG3D, and we've got obviously like a business card from them, and oh, Mawams, pinballs. Okay, so some sweeties. Other than that, that's all that's in the box. The tools, I mean, the digital calipers are always great. That's obviously a must. We've got plenty of spatulas, but obviously it could have been done. It could have had a bit of a sharpening on there. I'm not too sure. It all depends on what people think. We've got a glue stick, just a 10-gram one. We've got obviously got a deburring tool. We have long nose pliers, very good quality. I'm just getting all the different. Wow, there's quite a few of them. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different types of pinchers, pliers, some flush cutters, very nice small file, an X-Acto knife with some blades, obviously sweets, and a sticker. So this has all come from a company called TechnoGeek 3D. They're based in the UK. I will put all their links in the description below, including also a discount code for everyone who has watched this video. It's all down in the link below. All the link to the site and also the shop will all be in the links below. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and obviously if this is the first time you've been here, please sub. All the other links below to support the channel. This is the 3D printing toolkit from TechnoGeek. It's all good stuff. Obviously I've only just opened it. It could have had better packing around it, apart from it was all put in a bag. Now this is my kit. Whether or not it was just a review kit, I do not know. So this is, I can only stipulate this is my kit that I've received. So obviously if it was actually put in a proper box and everything else, that would be absolutely fantastic. They also sent me a sample of filament, which is just red standard PLA, which I will give a go. But yeah, it's a 3D printing toolkit. It's basically what Chuck is doing from his channel, but this is in the UK, so it's easier to get hold of for people in the UK or in Europe if they want to get one of these toolkits. Everything in there is absolutely great for whoever gets a 3D printer. These are all the tools that you will need to start off. So it's a very good toolkit. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. Please comment down below what part of the toolkit you like. I mean, preferably the deburring tool, the calipers, and obviously this, the cutting board, is absolutely fantastic. I'm definitely going to be using those for sure. Obviously the sweets, there go to my missus as always. But other than that, like, comment, subscribe, all links down below to support the channel, and obviously for TechnoGeek 3D. Thank you very much, and be yourselves. Bye.